I think one of the things that really makes this site so special is that you can choose from videos like this, the bones, and if you're doing a lesson on learning about different parts of the human body and you want to make simplify it a little more, then you can choose from a video such as this one where it's a guided dance that will that sings about the different bones in our body. And so what I noticed last year when we did this as part of our lesson, a lot of the kids were able to recite back, and they were able to sing while they were taking a test on their bones, and just something about the singing and moving while reciting where each bone goes really helped solidify this information for them. And I think that if we are able to use technologies such as this more, and just like the song Head, Shoulders, Knees, and Toes, you just incorporate that more into our learning, um, I think would be really beneficial for the student's success in building knowledge such as this.